Chris testing out the Outlaw 2s real quick. Just framing up, that's it.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. That's what happened last time. I just got lucky to get out of it. Yeah, you can see where I'm sliding up.
Yep. Woo!
I'm framed out.
Yep.
Back out of here.
All right. Oh my God! Look at that spider right there.
Where at?
Good God, right there.
Oh.
Ah.
Gotta put it reverse on forward.
There it is.
Oh, big old crawdad.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah. Well, may have to. All right, watch yourself.
All right.
Winch out, like burying it up.
You want to hook you up real quick?
Yeah, if you want.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll get you, buddy. I'll get you, buddy. All right. Oh, shoot. I almost died. These Crocs suck.
Smells like your house?
Yeah, it does. All right. You just crawled right through that. You're good, you're good. Hell yeah.
There we go.
A little bit of stinky mud, that's what I'm talking about. All right, let's see what this is all about. Raising a family. Easy.
Oh yeah.
Okay, buddy. I don't mean to warn you, but you got a big spider web right above your head. Yeah, it's just out of reach. You're fine. It's right there, right back there. Go. Just don't look too fast. All right. I think we made it through this one. I barely made it through this one, so we'll see.
Do you see it?
What's that?
Do you see this big old frog?
No.
Okay, it's cool. They're big in here.
Are you ready? Hold on.
Yeah.
Look at that thing just chewing. Yeah, look at that smile.
Okay, Carlos, we gotta go in here.
Oh.
That way we can get the rest of them.
Heck yeah. Good job, buddy.
All right.
You like those tires?
The tires are long.
There it is. yeah, buddy. Oh, spiderweb, you're on your own. Oh!
That was a turtle.
Well, I feel bad. I went right over him. Oh my God. Oh, there's a big spiderweb right there. Yeah, I think so. I need to get out the way though. Oh, we gonna need the faux tiger tail.
You just gotta get over this.
Where? Oh yeah, look at him. There's a turtle. Can we lift up on this backside? Oh, there you go. It's a baby. Oh shoot! Don't get bit.
It's a baby snapping turtle.
Is it really? Oh, it sure is.
You see him? He's a baby snapper.
Yeah, no, he went because I was going. I'm going.
Oh my.
Is it okay if I wash him off to look at him?
Yeah.
I was gonna send it and then right off the run.
Shoot, you're a better person than I am. I just try to do out of sight, out of mind. Hate this getting muddy stuff. All right, that thing's crazy.
I gotta put him on video, right? Because I want to see him later.
Yeah. Oh, you want a water bottle?
Yeah.
It's cold. It's cold water though. That can be big.
Yeah, right?
Oh, oh! That was the cutest bite ever. What? What did I do?
Run him over?
Well, I got the big treads. He's fine.
Is there anything on my butt?
Yeah. Oh yeah. You got mud on your butt for sure. Oh, you got me dirty.
Hey, we got rid of the boots.
Oh, you got rid of the boots. There you go.
He got him some Crocs though.
And there, man, you be careful. You're gonna be sliding around and busting your butt everywhere. Every time I wear these things, I just slide. There's no traction.
Don't find that. I want to see him do that.
Oh, I mean, you'll be good. Just run around. Be fine. That was good. Are you gonna hit that one?
Yeah.
Actually, I think.
Kind of dried up.
Yeah, it did. This is.
It got rain yesterday, but maybe it wasn't.
Yeah, I asked the lady. She goes, "Well, we ain't got any rain." I was like, "Oh,
Maybe it was on further south.
maybe that's what it was."
All right.
Still playing with this snapping turtle. I think just it's a little further up, yeah.
Okay.
I think it's part of this one because up here it turns into that soupy stuff.
GoPro starts
Woo! Damn. You got it in four-wheel drive? Robert, you're in two. Oh, okay. You might want to get out there. That's it. Woo! All right. Yeah, get out of that hole, yeah. Oh, he made it through, shoot. What's that? I would think we might be able to, yeah. Easy. you need, buddy? Oh, you got it? Oh, dang. That's, yeah.
Oh,
Good Lord, buddy. You thought you could make that?
I was trying to get the name.
you can't follow Dad.
You can't. That Polaris can't follow a Can-Am. Come on now, buddy.
I know that by now.
God, I learned that lesson last time.
All right, I'm going in the mud.
Nasty, right? Gone. Rip. Oh shoot. Yo.
Now,
You bet.
we are official. Okay, there we go. You'll
Now-
finally find bottles.
I'll take that. That way you can lock it back in.
Did you watch me see?
Are you getting that shoe back out, you think?
Yeah, no, that shoe's not coming out.
Yeah. Mine barely came out. I just kept going. Hold on, I'll help you out, Bubba.
It won't quite fit in the ring, so I'm gonna put it on the hook.
There you go. Keep winning.
This is the first ride with his new mud tires. He's been running trail tires, so he's all excited to get muddy.
Don't let off that wind. I'm on. Turn towards
Would that be your kid?
There you go.
That makes me worried about it.
Oh, he loves it. He's loving it.
Get going. Get going.
Ow! Thing whipped me. Come on.
Pull yourself out. There you go.
All right, way right there. That winch worked really good.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, man. Now you're gonna have fun cleaning this thing. That's
We got a power washer now. So
there you go.
I got tires spending $10 to power wash.
Oh yeah, yeah. For real. And if you have any low spots in the yard, just go fill it in.
Yep, that's exactly what we do. Watch out, Carlos. Here we
Oh.
go. All right, camera down. Go.
Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Oh man, I gotta walk across this.
I like it out here.
Yeah, it's nice. She made it look easy. Ah. Are we doing it? I follow you. I follow you.
Can we make that?
I don't know. If y'all do it, it goes down to the left, so be careful. If y'all are y'all gonna do that? On the other side of the hill, it drops. It goes to the left. It doesn't just go straight over. I don't know. I just want to see what it feels like first. I'm just feeling it out. I just wanted to get a feel for it, you know? All right, you ready? Woo! That was all the brakes I had.
I can give you another
What's that? You can give me another what?
break.
Another brake? That shit was kind of scary. Yeah, I need a break after that one. That one gave me a heart attack.
Ah, you had it, buddy.
Oh my gosh.
It feels worse than it really is.
No, it's worse when you get on it. It doesn't look so bad here. When you get up there, it's it's even worse. How do you feel about that hill?
That's good.
It's good?
Yeah. I wouldn't want my wife or kids to do
Yeah.
it, but I was.
I think so. Oh, it was on at least.
I hope so, 'cause I
Oh, it's fine. I'm not going up again.
Oh no, it's I didn't get you. You gotta do it again.
I can't. No way. Oh no, Mr. Folks. Be careful, buddy.
You got it.
That's a freaking little hill right there.
Yeah.
Whenever we first came, I was like, oh, it's not so bad. I could probably do that. Then when we started climbing up, I was like, this shit's getting steeper and steeper. Was it easier the second time?
Yeah, it's not even the climbing the hill part of it, especially when you ride as much as Disney as I do.
Yeah.
It's the going down.
Yeah.
Because you just, you know, you let go because you want to brake, but you don't want to brake, and then
Whenever we got, I don't know.
hit that hump, and you're like,
Whenever you, I don't know how you did on your side by side, because when you come up and over, you can't see shit in that thing.
No.
I'm like, what the?
Yeah, you have to do a lot of this.
Yeah. That's why I backed. I couldn't see this damn thing down here. I was like, man.
I wonder how bad it is coming up the backside.
I'll never know. I will never know.